In your mind's eye, become aware of darker clouds approaching, clouds carrying rain, coming closer, and the rain begins to fall, and you lift your face to the sky and feel the drops of water as they pour down onto your nose, eyes, forehead, and you feel the goodness of the water. The water provides growth for plants, for the earth, for our thirst. We call the blessing of water Gishmei Bracha, waters of blessing. Enjoy the blessing of water. Enjoy the rain. The rain provides life. The rain cleanses the air, cleans the planet, and feeds it. Listen to the water and enjoy its goodness. Never fear water, never fear rain. It's always a blessing.